Welcome to the virtual tour of 27 Teague Street in Braybrook. Teague Street is located in a nice quiet street location with a reserve at the end of the street and surrounded by new modern houses. The property has a single lock-up garage, small front yard with minimal maintenance, and as we enter inside we are greeted by a hallway stairs to go up, plenty of cupboard space, a downstairs powder room, and a European style laundry. As we walk into the open plan living, we have a built-in unit, TV unit. The TV brackets remain on the wall, so easy to hang the TV. There is a split system heating and air conditioning unit. There is plenty of room for a dining table. We've got stone bench tops, island bench with the sink and dishwasher, plenty of cupboards, gas stove, all the pantry and cupboards have some of the pull-out drawers. Just off the living area, we have the courtyard with built-in benches, a garden shed and built-in barbecue. There is an awning that covers the courtyard, which is retractable by remote control, so easily able to retract in or be out depending on your preference and the external weather. As we head upstairs, there is lighting on all the staircase. It's carpeted upstairs, and we are greeted by 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a study area. The study desk is built in. There is also some extra storage cupboards. The master bedroom has 2 sets of mirrored robes, ceiling fan, faces the street. There is a split system unit in here. There's the other set of robes, and there is an ensuite bathroom with waterfall shower head, plenty of cupboards, upstairs we also have 2 additional bedrooms, again with ceiling fans and mirrored robes. And both of these bedrooms access the upstairs bathroom. Again, huge shower with waterfall shower head, vanity and bath.